Alright guys, I want to talk about how entrepreneurship will test you in this video. It will challenge you. It will break you down and force you to rebuild. Let me tell you my story, the raw, unfiltered truth of what's been happening in my journey so far. My first year in business, I made just $10,000 in total revenue. That's right, the entire year. It was a grind, cold calling, figuring out everything, failing, learning, and pushing forward. But then things started clicking. Year 2, $500,000. Year 3, $650,000. Year 4, $1 million. And then last year, I came the closest I've ever been to declaring bankruptcy. My business partner split from me. The entire company dissolved overnight. Everything we had built, gone. The only thing I had left, 3 virtual assistants. That's it. No systems, no infrastructure. I had Simple Send, I had my CRM, but other than that, just the knowledge I had gained from 4 years in the game. So I had to start over, completely, from scratch. And I made some big mistakes. I tried changing things, the market, the method, thinking I needed something new to get back on my feet. But in reality, I just needed to stick to what had already made me successful. I immediately searched for partners in Dispo when I didn't actually need one. I was splitting 75 to me, 25 to a Dispo when I could just do it myself. But fear got in the way. I had relied so much on my old business partner that I doubted if I could do it on my own. I let self-doubt take over. That year was the hardest year I've ever faced in business. I barely broke even. I didn't really pay myself a single dime. I only did $300,000 in revenue. My worst year in business other than my first year. And let me be real with you. I thought that if you took everything away from me, I'd be able to rebuild easily. I was wrong. It was not easy. I realized something powerful. God had given me that year of struggle to humble me. I had gotten arrogant. I thought I could never lose money, that I was untouchable. I mean, come on, I'm scorching corchin'. I've done 150 grand to 200 grand wholesale deals before. How could I possibly be in need of money? But the arrogance needed to be stripped away. I don't know if the universe designed it that way on purpose, but I do believe that sometimes life has to teach us lessons we didn't even know we needed to learn. So how did I keep going? How did I persist when my ego was shattered, when I wasn't making money, when I had every reason to quit? I remembered my why. I want to retire my parents. I want to take trips around the world. I want to teach others how to build wealth. I want to attract a beautiful girlfriend. I want to live life on my own goddamn terms. That why kept me going. I wrote down every reason I was doing this and kept it on my computer, staring at it every single day. By the end of 2024, I had rebuilt my business. Now I'm averaging 80 grand per month again. But what changed? 2 things. I envisioned what I wanted and I reverse engineered exactly how to get it. I created a vision board of everything I wanted and visualized it every single day. Not just imagining it, but actually mapping out how I would get there. I knew by the end of 2025, I wanted to hit 250 grand per month in revenue. I broke it down. The average acquisitions manager brings in about 50 grand per month. That means I need 5 fully producing acquisition managers to get to my goal of 250 grand a month. It takes hiring about 3 acquisition managers to find 1 solid producer. That means I needed to hire 15 acquisition managers to hit my goal. Once I have this formula, it was just the execution of the idea. So far in 2024, I've already hired 3 new acquisition managers. And so far, 2 are producing, which is incredible. The path is clear. I just needed to trust the process and put in the work. If you take anything away from this video, let it be this. When you're struggling, focus on your why, because struggles will come. Businesses fail, markets crash, divorces happen, economies go into downturns. But if you stay locked in on your why and envision what you want, you will push through. You just have to keep going. It is impossible for you not to get what you want if you you keep going. And when you do push through, I promise you, you will achieve everything you've dreamed of. If you got value from this video, like, comment, and subscribe, and click that notification bell so you see everything that we put out. Let's freaking go.